Are you looking to print in full color with jaw-dropping results? In this video, we're counting down the best multicolor 3D printers of 2025. From budget champs to pro-grade beasts, whether you're a hobbyist or a hardcore maker, we've got the perfect rainbow printer for you. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Bambu Lab P1S with AMS. This is a game changer for multicolor 3D printing. Compact and easy to set up, it pairs perfectly with the P1S, X1 carbon, or P1P. With the P1S excelling at high-temp materials like ABS and ASA. It supports up to 16 colors by daisy-chaining 4 AMS units. Setup? Plug and play. But maintenance takes patience. Bowden tubes wear quickly, especially with abrasive filaments like glitter-filled PLA. I wore through one in just 6 months. Filament swaps are slow, averaging 1 minute, 46 seconds. And yeah, the system creates a fair bit of waste, often called printer poop. Tuning helps, but doesn't eliminate it. The AMS works best with bamboo filament, thanks to RFID tagging. Third-party spools can work, but not all fit properly. Luckily, the community has shared printable fixes for many of these issues. Number 2. Bambu Lab A1 Mini with AMS Lite. Built exclusively for the A1 and A1 Mini printers, this is my favorite multicolor system so far. Simple to set up, easy to maintain, and it rarely fails. The unusual design sits beside the printer, but a printable gantry clip is available for the full-size A1. Assembly? Minimal. Just plug in one cable and connect 4 Bowden tubes. Unlike the original AMS, it can't be daisy-chained, and doesn't work with core XY printers. Maintenance is easier, and everything's exposed. It even supports more third-party filaments, including cardboard spools. Some brands may not fit due to incompatible core sizes. The RFID system auto-detects material. And yes, like all bamboo setups, it still makes printer poop. For a recent fire truck print, tuning reduced waste from 200 grams to 115. A big improvement. Number 3, Matsuya, Prusa MK4 with MMU3. An advanced upgrade for the MK4, MK4S, and MK3S Plus. It enables 5-color printing, but this one's not for beginners. You'll need to modify the toolhead, make room on your table, and have a deep understanding of 3D printing. Once installed, it sips filament with precision, using a tunable purge tower for minimal waste. Testing on the MK4 showed excellent print quality, though occasional feeding errors occurred, especially with old or moist filament. It supports any spool size, including cardboard and 3-kilogram spools, thanks to adjustable rollers. Retractions are absorbed by the buffer to prevent tangles. Loading is manual and time-consuming, only the MMU itself is motorized. It's sold as a DIY kit, not bundled, and installation requires sensor modifications. Complex? Definitely, but powerful if you're up for the challenge. Number 4. Anycubic Cobra 3 with ACE. This is the first real Bambu Lab AMS clone. Designed exclusively for the Cobra 3. It's a boxy, multi-material system that doubles as a filament dryer, even working while the printer is off. Each spool has its own dedicated path to the extruder, similar to Prusa MMU, requiring only short retractions between color swaps. The Cobra 3 uses a cutter at the cold side of the toolhead, which produces inevitable printer poop. Unfortunately, purge tuning isn't available yet in Anycubic's slicer. In testing, a Yovi vase used 185 grams of filament and wasted 197 grams. Not ideal, but expected for multicolor prints. While it can dry TPU, the ACE can't feed it. A separate spool holder is required. Anycubic says future updates will allow 2 ACE units per Cobra 3. Number 5. Prusa XL. This one's for serious multi-material and multicolor printing. It's a Core XY tool changer. Each filament gets its own hot end and nozzle. No purging, no temperature swaps. Each tool head can run at a different temperature, ideal for mixing materials like PLA, PETG, and TPU. As shown in the Printables toolbox, which used 4 colors and 3 materials. You can buy it with 1, 2, or 5 tool heads and upgrade later. With a 360 by 360 millimeter build plate, it's Prusa's largest printer, but also one of the priciest. $3,999 for the 5-head version. Loading filament is hands-on, with nearly 5 feet of Bowden tube per head. But once printing, it's faster than systems like Bamboo Labs. No filament rewinding needed. It supports third-party spools up to 2 kilograms with optional dry box setups. So, which one's the best? Our top pick, Bamboo Lab P1S with AMS. It offers unmatched speed, reliability, and multicolor performance, making it the ultimate choice for creators who want stunning prints without the hassle.